Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of getting a PayPal debit card, which allows you to spend your PayPal balance instantly. Let's dive in. Step 1. Log in to your PayPal account. To begin, visit the PayPal website or open the PayPal app on your mobile device. Enter your login credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to the PayPal debit card section. Once you are logged in, look for the PayPal debit card option. This is usually found under the Wallet section of your account dashboard. Click on it to get started. Step 3. Check eligibility. Before you can order a PayPal debit card, it's important to check if you meet the eligibility requirements. Typically, you need to be a U.S. resident, at least 18 years old, and have a verified PayPal account. Step 4. Apply for the debit card. After confirming your eligibility, follow the prompts to apply for the PayPal debit card. You will need to provide information such as your address and contact details. Make sure to review everything carefully before submitting your application. Step 5. Wait for approval. Once you've submitted your application, PayPal will review it. Approval usually happens quickly, and you will receive a notification regarding the status of your application via email. Step 6. Receive your card. If approved, PayPal will send your debit card to the mailing address associated with your account. This typically takes about 7 to 10 business days. Keep an eye out for your new card. Step 7. Activate your card. Once you receive your PayPal debit card, you'll need to activate it. You can do this through your PayPal account online or through the PayPal app. Just follow the instructions provided with the card. Step 8. Start spending instantly. After activation, your PayPal debit card is ready to use. You can spend your PayPal balance instantly at any location that accepts MasterCard, both in-store and online. Thank you for watching our video on how to get a PayPal debit card. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content.